Welcome to this tutorial. A well-designed login experience is an essential part of any membership website, customer portal, or online community. In this video, we'll learn how to add a modern login in Gridbox and provide users with a simple and convenient way to access their accounts.
To display login in Lightbox, we'll use the Overlay Section plugin. Add an Overlay Section plugin to your website header. Next, drag and drop it so it appears before the Sign Up button. In the plugin settings, enter Sign In the label field. Let's remove the default icon to keep the button clean and minimal.
As you may remember from the previous lesson, the Login button should only be visible to guests. Set the View option to Guests. Now let's customize the appearance of the button. Switch to the Design tab and set the font size to 14 pixels. Then customize the hover colors for both the text and background. Next, go to the Layout tab and disable all borders. The button is now ready. Click the button to open the Overlay section. Then click the Overlay section itself to open its settings. In the Layout options, change the overlay type to Lightbox. Set the width to 550 pixels. To better match the design of the website, switch to the Layout tab and set the border radius to 20 pixels. Our Lightbox is now ready, and it's time to add the login form. Click the plus icon and add the Login plugin. Since we already have a dedicated registration page, we can disable the registration form by turning off the registration option. Next, in the User Redirect field, use the link picker to select the My Account page. This will automatically redirect users to their account page after a successful login. Everything is now configured. Save the page and let's test the login experience. Remember, the Sign In button is visible only to guests, so if you don't see it, either log out of your account or open the website in an incognito browser window, just as I'm doing here. Let's open the Lightbox and try logging in. The login form looks fantastic and provides a modern user experience. Let's sign in. As you can see, after logging in, we're automatically redirected to the My Account page, exactly as configured. Using an Overlay section and the Login plugin, you can create a clean, modern login experience without requiring users to leave the current page. This approach improves usability, keeps visitors focused on the content they're viewing, and integrates seamlessly into your website's design. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.